Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 12. The ease by which people move between occupations and geographical areas is known as dash of labor. So A, geographical mobility, B, horizontal mobility, C, individual mobility, D, mobility, E, vertical mobility. So what we are looking at here is mobility of labor or labor mobility. And for us to know which of them carries with this question given to us, we'll look at each of the definitions of the options. So for geographical mobility, it involves movement of labor from one geographical location to another. So horizontal mobility refers to movement of labor from one occupation to another. However, on the same level or the same grade. Now for individual mobility is not a concept, so we can rule that out as not being part of our answers. Then mobility in general just refers to ease of movement. Then for vertical mobility, it involves movement from one occupation to another, but to a higher grade or higher level. So from the definitions we have given, we see that geographical mobility involves movement between geographical areas. So the correct answer is A, geographical mobility. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.